Well, hello yacht fans and welcome back. So in this video we have a fantastic selection of steel-hulled trawler yachts by Bering Yachts. Bering Yachts have full control on production of each vessel they build from concept to launch, using their own facilities with in-house design, development and manufacture. The choice of semi-custom steel hull yachts offers a bespoke option to adventurers who demand safety, quality and luxury without compromise. Bering work directly with their clients during each stage of production, tailoring their boats to the client's exact specifications and dreams. The Bering 70 is a 23-metre luxury motor yacht. She was built by Bering Yachts in 2023 with a beam of 6.5 metres and a draft of 1.5 metres. Her knife-shaped bow is designed for comfort when underway. Her bow reminds me of ancient Greek ships, although you wouldn't really want to use her for a battering ram. Her super strong steel hull should help if you was ever unlucky enough to hit ice when exploring. This all adds up to a gross tonnage of 102 tons. She's powered by two Cummins 280 horsepower engines, giving her a maximum speed of 10 knots and a cruising speed of 8 knots. Bering 70's maximum range is estimated to be 3,000 nautical miles. The Bering 70 can accommodate 6 guests in 3 cabins with 2 crew. The Bering 70 is designed to handle tenders up to around 4 to 5 metres in length. For a Williams jet tender, models like the Williams Turbojet 285, which is 2.89 metres, or the Williams Sportjet 345, which is 3.5 metres, would be appropriate sizes, considering both the size and the crane's lift capacity. The exact capacity of the crane on the Bering 70 depends on the specification configurations, but it should comfortably handle tenders in the range of 250 to 450 kilograms, which is typical for those Williams models. The yacht's bow bell is a nice little touch, but you have to wonder once you get in a swell, is the clapper, which is the little ball that hits the side of the bell, is that going to be ringing all the time? That could be a little annoying.
Hi guys, I'd just like to say we really need your help. We need you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to dislike, or just do something. We need to grow this channel, and without you, we can't. So, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Yeah, I think for me in this cabin, the use of the mirrors behind the bed dates the cabin a little bit. It gives a sort of 80s vibe. For me, that's just my opinion. The crew quarters to me seem a little cramped, but then again, for this size of vessel, it's more owner operated than to have a sort of crew, maybe an occasional crew. But I guess that's going to be used as a storage area really. Fantastic engine room. Plenty of room to move around in there. The Helm gives a sort of a little ship vibe. Certainly packs everything you need into a small space.
What's interesting in the latest developments in the yachting industry is the incorporation of AI-powered navigation systems. These systems are designed to transform the way yachts are managed and navigated, offering enhanced safety, efficiency and user experience for both captain and crew. We just got to hope it gets things right and doesn't make things up like it seems to. With the introduction to AI to navigation systems, the skeptical side of me has to wonder to what end can the AI determine your destination, sort of keep you away from areas where you're not supposed to be. I'm trying not to go all dystopian on you, but you'd have to wonder how much it can take over and stop you from going certain parts of the world because of clean air zones.
The Bering 80, 26.2 metres of luxury explorer motor yacht. With a beam of 8.1 metres and a draft of 2.4 metres, she has a steel hull and aluminium superstructure. With a gross tonnage of 233 tonnes and powered by twin 450 horsepower Cummins engines, giving her a maximum speed of 10.5 knots. Her cruising speed is in the region of 8.5 knots. Bering 80's maximum range is estimated to be 5,000 nautical miles. motor yacht can accommodate 10 guests in 5 cabins. So there's no electronic sliding doors can be found on this vessel. It's strictly bulkhead watertight doors all the way, as you can see from these double doors at the back. Really stunning interiors. Really sort of a classical, really classy with the use of wood. Beautiful yacht. Just looking at this scene here, it's a beautiful interior, but the coffee table there, it looks like it's a freestanding piece of furniture. So I don't know whether they've anchored it down, but it looks like it's freestanding on a rug. So I just wonder, you know, when these are really out at sea in a chop, you know, heavy ocean, is that going to start sliding around? Looks to me that it might do, because it's got a rug under it. So you can see from this shot that the table's fixed, so that's going nowhere, apart from the cutlery, of course. I'm not a big fan of the kitchen, this creamy yellowy colour. I think it's going to date very quickly. I would call this style sort of timeless elegance, really. It's sort of classic yachts with the wood. I like it. It's all down to personal choice. Let me know what you think in the comments, but I think it looks great. That's a really spacious master cabin, I must say. Okay, some of the bathroom fixtures are looking a little bit dated now. I guess this yacht is for a couple of years ago. Really love this storage feature, because you can never have enough storage while you're out at sea. So this is great. And bedding, well, that's always a problem. Where do you keep your bedding? It's the same problem you have at home. You like the more bedding you get, is where do you put it all? Look at that, a nice clean engine room. Love it. The Bering 80 is typically equipped with conventional drive shaft propulsion system. This setup consists of twin diesel engines connected to propeller shafts that drive a large, efficient fixed pitch propellers. The engines are often from reputable manufacturers like Cummins or Caterpillar, depending on the owner's specification. The Bering 80 also includes things like the stern thrusters and bow thrusters, which are pretty typical for this size of yacht, and that enables an enhanced manoeuvrability, especially during docking and getting into tight spaces. Bering 92, she is a 29-metre custom-built explorer yacht produced from the Antalya shipyard in 2022, named Papillon. Her super strong steel hull is designed for prolonged blue water autonomous adventures of the high seas. She features a number of modifications at her owner's special request. Papillon offers a lavish 5-cabin layout with a main deck master suite positioned forward. Her 2 VIP and 2 guest staterooms are located on her lower deck. The captain's cabin and crew quarters are situated aft of the engine room. It doesn't really look like your traditional Bering compared to the others. I guess it's just it looks more like a princess design at the bow. Now that is a definite improvement on the last heads, or bathroom if you like. It's stylish, it's modern, and it's a far cry from the previous yacht you've just seen. Again, it's a more expensive yacht. Bering 120 is simply beautiful. Offering luxury in every detail, this Explorer motor yacht will impress the most demanding of explorers. At 37 metres and a beam of 8.5 metres with a draft of 2.3 metres, she has a strong steel hull and aluminium superstructure with a gross tonnage of 370 tonnes. Powered by twin 1,000 horsepower Caterpillar engines, giving her a maximum speed of 13 knots and a cruising speed of 10 knots. Her maximum range is estimated to be 4,000 nautical miles. The motor yacht can accommodate 12 guests in 6 cabins in luxury. I think that looks more traditional Bering than the last one.